Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again. Let's go, guys. It's your boy Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is freezing. It's freezing. I know I've got the woolly hat on, I've got my jacket, everything on, jumper on. It's freezing. It's freezing down here in February. We've had snow in April, so it doesn't surprise me. UK weather. Anyway, so what we've got is we have got a Nissan Qashqai 2019-20. We're going to do the fuel filter. This guy here, what the customer, what he's done is he's messed up. He's messed up big time. He's put the AdBlue in the fuel system. Okay, so AdBlue is not supposed to go in the fuel system. He's done that, so we've drained the whole system out. Everything drained out. Took the tank off. No, I didn't take the tank off. Lowered the tank a little bit. Put the pipe in there. Drained, sucked everything out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to replace the fuel filter. So fuel filter replacement 2019-20 Nissan Qashqai. Let's go. Okay, so the fuel filter, there it is. That's where it lives. Before you say anything, it's a diesel one. Okay, it's the diesel 1.5 diesel, whatever it is. Okay, so yeah, there's the fuel filter. We're going to go ahead and take this cage off. Okay, we're going to try to take this cage off. I think this cage is only bolted on with one bolt and two nuts, 13 mils. Let's go ahead and take them off. Okay, so the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this plug off. So push and pull, basically. There we go. It was a bit stiff, that one, but yeah, came off nice and easy. There we go. What we'll do now is we'll go ahead and take these off, these two pipes off. Dead easy, you can't get them wrong. The grey one goes on here. The the white one goes on there. So if you look at it like that, white with the white plug goes on there, with the white grey clip goes on this one. Just take a picture of it, or if you want to mark it. Somebody's marked it in the past. So you push on either side and then just pull. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So push the clips in and then just pull. Same again, push the clips in and pull. I have to put the camera down for this. I'll get back at you guys. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, so I had to get a little flat screwdriver, so I've pushed it with my fingers here and then a little flat screwdriver just to give it a little pry. That's off, as you can see here. Same with this one as well. Push and then pull. That one comes off. Just move them to a side. You can leave them there if you want. As you can see there now, we've got a 10 mil bolt there. We just need to slacken it. You don't have to take it off all the way, just slacken it. If you want to take it off all the way, you can do, but I think if you just slacken it, the clamp will just spread and you can just lift the filter out. So we'll just go ahead and slacken that, loosen that a little bit, and we'll go from there. Okay, so get yourself a 10 mil spanner, and all you do is just loosen that up. Like I mentioned, you don't have to take it off all the way. Best thing, don't take it off all the way because you don't want to drop the bolt. So just slacken it best you can most of the way. I would say 90% if you want. I normally get a ratchet spanner to do this, but I'm doing it with the normal 10 mil spanner. You can do it with the normal 10 mil spanner. Okay, guys, sit around. Just obviously I'm slackening that bolt here, but the whole bracket's moving. So the best thing to do is just put that one of these nuts back on, so then that way it's not, you know, it's secure, and then you can take the fuel filter off. Might need a bit more slackening. Loosening this 10 mil. There we go, and there we have it, one fuel filter off. Okay, guys, right, guys, so there we have it. There's the new fuel filter. That is the part number for the new fuel filter. Okay, so UFI 2409501. part. There you go, part number. So dead easy, in reverse order. We're just gonna get that in there. Okay, just give me a second. I'm gonna put that in there. This one has a drainer on it, so I might need to widen the bracket a little bit more. But if it doesn't come with the drainer, happy days. If it does, then obviously you just have to widen the bracket a little bit more, then it'll go in. So yeah, give me a minute, I'll get back at you guys. Right, so there we have it. The fuel filter is in there. I just had to take this bolt off completely and spread the bracket, and then it went in because of that, the water drainer. So there we go. All we do now is just tighten it up with your 10mm spanner, and then click everything on, all the switches, plugs, all the pipes, and that's it. Okay guys, so there we have it, all done and dusted. As you can see here, eagle-eyed viewers will say that, oh, why is there a cable tie there? For some reason, this clip wasn't on properly, okay, and the clip's knackered basically. So I put a cable tie around it, all the way around the fuel filter, so that will hold that, no problem whatsoever. Right, that's on as well. We're going to put some fuel in it, diesel in it, and that's it. The priming method on these, I think it'll self-prime basically. I don't see how we're going to prime it. There's no manual prime, you know, like in pump or anything. So ignition on a few times, it should self-prime. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so that's it, all done and dusted. The Nissan Qashqai, as you can see there, all done and dusted. We've got the fuel filter on, car's running. It will misfire a little bit in the beginning, and then it should clear up when all the rubbish and all the AdBlue and whatever, you know, contaminated fuel is totally out of the system. It might have some in the pipes, in the injectors, so when it's totally clear, it should be okay. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.